So guys, for the first method, you want to head it with search and type in Task Manager. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to find Windows Explorer, you want to click on it, and then click on Restart Task. Now your screen's going to come back, see if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head it with search and type in check for updates. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates, make sure that your computer is fully up to date. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes, and then once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, the problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed though, you just want to restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.